Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix the mobile gateway, no internet when light is green, home internet troubleshoot. To fix a T-Mobile gateway that shows a solid or blinking green light but has no internet, you need to resolve a communication gap where the gateway sees the cell tower but data cannot flow to your device. This issue is typically caused by DNS resolution failures, temporary firmware glitches, or local device IP conflicts. Fix 1. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your target device and select your T-Mobile network, then click Forget Network. Then turn the device's Wi-Fi off, then turn it back on again and input your password to reconnect. Fix 2. Check for service outages or data limits. Open the T-Mobile Internet app available on iOS and Android. Then log in using your T-Mobile ID credentials. Now tap on the Account or Bill tab on the Home dashboard and check if your line shows as active or if there is a suspended/past due alert. Fix 3. Reseat the SIM card. Unplug the gateway's power cable, then locate the SIM card slot, which is usually on the bottom or back panel. Pop out the SIM card, wipe it clean with a dry cloth, and insert it firmly until it clicks. Fix 4. Factory reset the gateway. Locate the small recessed reset pinhole on the back of the device, then insert a paper clip or SIM ejector tool into the hole. Press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the front light flashes. Then reconfigure your network using the official T-Mobile application. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.